So these are the definition for fixed assets. So fixed asset means eligible fixed asset means it should include the land, and land means it will include the fencing, construction of internal road, other basic infrastructure facilities, permanent buildings, plants, machinery, equipment, imported equipment, computer equipment, material handling equipment, everything will come under the fixed asset. For example, in case of manufacturing industry, you will have tools, dies, molds, jigs, and fixtures, and similar production tools owned and used within the plant or elsewhere within Tamil Nadu, and appliances and electrical installations and pollution control and other things can be extend paid for by the project. So these are the definition for even the wastewater treatment facilities, transformers, generators, all the power plants are also coming under the eligible fixed assets. So land and buildings should not be less than 10 years old, and all fixed assets should be specified by the government from time to time. Okay, so it will be valued at net present value of the said assets, and accordingly, all fixed assets should be used and installed only within the project site. So whatever land is allocated there, you should install and use all the facilities only within the project site. Second-hand machinery, not 20% of the total eligible assets should be of second hand. So you should not have everything second hand. The percentage should be very, very less, or it should be 20 percentage. So it was up to the condition that minimum residual life. The second hand should have a minimum life of 10 years. You should ensure that. So in case of imported machinery, so all the second hand machinery will be considered as the new machinery only if it is imported by the project. So 100% of imported plant will be coming under eligible fixed asset. So if you are importing a second hand thing from abroad, it will be considered as a direct EFA. But if you are buying something second hand here, it will not be considered as a part of the eligible fixed assets. So industrial housing, so residential facilities within the 5 kilometers of the work area. So there you are building houses for the employees and other things. So within no, entrance should be 10 kilometer direct entrance of the project premises shall be considered as eligible fixed assets. So all these residential housing facilities will also be coming under eligible fixed assets. Okay, so employees means direct employees who are in a direct relationship with the company. So directly engaged in the production line, and employees. Example on the key managerial board, so everything will come under direct employees. And contract labor means established by the through a contractor who are hired for a particular period. Okay, their employment is not permanent, they are employed for a particular period of time. So casual laborers and temporary workers or out workers who may be used for clean wash and other things, all these doing all these activities and not working on the site of project premises, all these will be coming under contractual employees. So both direct and contract employees will be called as the employees of the company under the incentives policy. And turnover means aggregate value of all taxable supplies and exempt supplies within Tamil Nadu by the project. So whatever you are exporting goods and services for that, what is the taxable value of everything? So you have to include central tax, take state tax, unitary tax, and other tax and everything. Okay, apart from excluding all the taxes, what is the total taxable supply you are going to generate from your company?